Okay, so next section we've got our Luigi Jazz technique warm-up. Two really important things you need for this. First one is a flat back. Sometimes when we flat back straight forwards. Sometimes when we flat back, we've got a turn of the body and it's over one leg here. Okay, two really important things to think about. First one is to make sure those arms are up as high as your ears. So don't let the arms kind of sit out of the head, and don't let the head drop down either. Okay. Second thing to think about is make sure that those ribs are closed in, and you want to feel the stretch right to the end of the tailbone, right to the top of the head. Okay. If we come back to this first one, so come back up, girls, and reach forwards. As you reach forwards, watch out for swinging your hips back. You want to keep their weight forwards in your toes. You'll feel if you're doing it right. You'll feel you'll be able to pull your knees up properly. You won't be kind of pushing back into the joint there. So as we reach forwards, really reach beyond as far as you can, trying to touch the mirror. You'll feel like you're going to fall onto your face. Don't feel like you're going to sit back onto your butt. That means your weight is back. Same thing for the sideways one. If you come back up, turn the body. When you reach forwards, don't swing back into the back leg. Keep your weight right in the middle. That front knee should feel like it can pull up properly and not just kick back into the joint. Watch out if you're particularly flexible for arching your back here. Okay, so every part of this exercise, you do everything 4 times through. First 2 times, if you want to just stand and watch it and sort of learn it, copy it for the 3rd and 4th time, absolutely do that. Okay, so first section, we start legs nice and wide. We're going to go down into a full plie, reaching the arms up. The hands are back to back when we get down there, and you'll reach as far as you can so you can feel your shoulders open up. We pull the arms in and the hips swing back at the same time. Feet go into parallel, and then you're reaching out. You've got your flat back shape. Okay? Counts 3 and 4. We bend and stretch the knees, keeping the flat back. So we're here, we bend and keep the flat back, and we stretch. Counts 5 and 6. Contract on 5. So engage the abdominals, heels come forwards, and then from there, we open up nice and tall. Make sure you've got that lovely stretch across the shoulders. Thanks, Em. When you get to that contraction, make sure it's coming from here. Contract there. Watch out for that tendency to kind of contract and pull the shoulders through. It's not a ribs movement, it's abdominals instead, so much lower. So again, that section, we go 2 counts down, full plie, 1, 2, reach back, reach forwards, 3 and 4. Bend and stretch 5 and stretch 6. Bend 7, contract, and stretch and recover, shoulders open. Again, we go for plie, 2, reach back and reach forwards, bend and stretch, bend, contract, abdominals engage, recover, stretch across the shoulders. On the last one, hands come down, heels drop in. We're into the next section. So we've got right arm reaches up and turns as it goes. It rotates. You've got bending the right knee, drop into the hip as well so you can feel that lovely stretch at the side of the body. We go right arm, we go left arm. We reach both arms together, 3, open them on the and count, into your flat back on 4. On count 5, your legs turn out, your knees bend, the arms pull in, you're still in your flat back forwards on 5. 6, recover with the body. 7, stretch and the arms come down. 8, turn back in again. We go again, we go. Reach the right arm, reach to the left arm, reach both, open flat back. Pull in, still flat back, body up tall, recover, and down. Okay, second 2 times, we're going to lead with the left arm. 3 and 4. On this pull in, don't let the body go too small. Keep these shoulders open, keep the arms properly held, stretch and recover. Okay, thanks Sam. Next section, we've got big reach into a side bend. Feel this arm making a long journey to get there. From the side bend, you twist. The back heel turns in as well. You've got 2 contractions. Contract from the abdominals, not from the ribs, and release. And again, contract from the abdominals, not the ribs, release. And a full swing through. As you swing through, the left arm does this lovely big open, and you can go back the other way. Reach, rotate, contract 3 and release 4. Contract 5 and release 6. Swing through, open out, recover. Good stuff. From this side bend here, so you turn to the flat back, make sure that back foot goes with you. Okay? As you swing through, that heel can reset itself, so you find your second position. Finish with pulled up knees, glute squeezing, abdominals working. Okay? We'll do 4 of those. 1 right, 1 left. Repeat, another 1 right, another 1 left. From there, we've got straight swing throughs without contraction. So we go over 1, bring the armpit and the hip and the heel round. 2, swing all the way around through. 3 and 4. It's quite a fast movement. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, etc. 4 times through, there we go. And then you've got it, okay? Last little bit, it's all about getting your shoulders to move as much as you can, and also your hips. So we're going to go down into the full plie. Right arm goes down, left arm comes up. You've got 4th cross, you come through jazz first, keep going through so you get this shoulder rotated. As you stretch out the plie, unroll that shoulder, it's a full roll movement. So the shoulder inverts on the way down, opens up on the way back. So that movement again, let's do the same arm again. We've got left arm goes up, left arm comes through, left shoulder rolls back. Repeat it with the right. Right arm comes up, right arm comes through, roll it back. One more time. One arm goes up, one arm goes down. We come through jazz first position. Keep going to get the rotation and open it out as you recover. Might as well do the last one, so we've done 4. There we go. And uncurl. Arms down. Perfect.